In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in Mailchimp step by step so you can switch the interface to the language you prefer in just a few moments. If you use Mailchimp regularly, this can make everything feel much easier to navigate, especially if English is not your main language or you simply want to work in a different one. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button if this tutorial helps you and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Once you're inside your account, look to the top right corner of the screen where your profile icon is located. This is where your account settings and personal preferences are usually found, so go ahead and click on your profile. After that, you'll see a language option, and it should display something like EN or English if that is currently your default language. Click on that language setting to open the available language choices. Mailchimp will then show you a list of languages you can switch to. Take a moment to look through the options and select the one you want to use. Once you click your preferred language, Mailchimp should update the interface right away or save the change for your account. This means menus, buttons, and other areas of the platform will appear in the language you selected, making it much easier to work comfortably. If you do not see the change immediately, refresh the page or sign out and sign back in to confirm the new setting has been applied. And that's it. You've now changed the language in Mailchimp. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in your workflow. If this video was useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials, tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.